Hello everyone, I am here to take you to one of the most popular park and emblem of Puducherry, that is Bharati Park. Bharati Park is at the heart of the old Pondicherry town, very near to the beach. This beautiful park is surrounded by different landmarks such as the Raj Nivas, Legislative Assembly and Rock Beach. It's a landscape park featuring IE Mandapam, plus garden and kids play area. Timings is morning 6 am to evening 8 pm. Entry is free. Best place to relax with fresh air and recommended place for a morning walk and exercise. This location has history which dates back to 18th century. After the French received the Puducherry region from the Dutch, they constructed a fort named Lewis in 1700 AD and raised a huge wall around the city. During the Carnatic Wars in 1760s, the English defeated the French. The Fort Lewis was destroyed by the British in 1761 AD. Later, the French established a harbour and lighthouse with IE Mandapam in the middle. In order to identify the remains of Fort Lewis, a trial excavation of a small portion of Bharati Park close to the Perumal temple was done in January 2018. The center of attraction of Bharati Park is a monument IE Mandapam, built in 1854 during the time of Napoleon III, Emperor of France. It is situated in center of Bharati Park. Let me tell the background behind construction of this monument. This monument recalls the history and shows respect for a lady courtesan called IE. King Krishnadevaraya, the ruler of the prosperous Vijayanagara Empire, who reigned from 1509 to 1529 AD, ruled the stretch from Karnataka to Kanyakumari. One day, the king was out from his capital at Hampi and went on a tour of his kingdom. While traveling through Pondicherry, a beautiful building caught the king's eye. The king was amazed by the building's architecture and its carvings. The religious king thought it was a temple. He knelt on the street and bowed down before it with folded hands. The people around looked at the king with surprise. The king was embarrassed to know that he bowed in front of a brothel house, which was run by a prostitute called IE. The king roared with anger, ordered his soldiers to bring the prostitute to him and demolish the building down from its roots. The soldiers got hammers and axes and started demolishing her house. The prostitute, IE, was brought to the king in chains. She fell on the king's feet and asked for mercy. She begged the king to spare the house, but the king's ego was deeply hurt. He did not listen to her. IE, in a desperate plea, asked the king the permission to break down the house herself. The king agreed. The prostitute broke down her beautiful house and in its place dug a water tank for the people around. The place was known as IE Kulam in her memory. IE Kulam is located at about 5 kilometers from Pondicherry. Years later, the French made Pondicherry their capital in India. The French town on the seashore faced an acute water shortage. All the wells they dug had only salty water. The French king, Napoleon III, sent an architect, Monsieur Lamérès, to sort out the problem. Lamérès was surprised to see the pond constructed by IE in Muthiraipalayam. Lamérès built a 5 kilometers long tunnel from IE Kulam to this park, which is the French part of the town. The French king heard about the story behind the water tank, was deeply impressed. He ordered Lamérès to build a monument for IE. This monument was built in French architectural style at the center of the park. This tank, later, served the purpose of providing drinking water to the entire city during the French rule. This stone plaque, written in traditional Tamil and Latin, pays tribute to IE's deed and thanks her for providing water for the people of the town. This historic monument has been made the official emblem of the Union Territory of Pondicherry. Until the 1940s, the park was used as a parade field for the French administration. In the 1950s, the government of Puducherry established a park in the name of Bharati. In 2006, the park was renovated into a public recreation park with pedestrians walking. Decorated stone works and iron gates are there in 4 directions, forms entrances to the park. The gate opposite to Rock Beach forms the main entrance for the public. Other than being a common picnic spot for the families and the kids, this park is liked by young couples looking to spend some quality time surrounded by natural beauty. Its attractiveness is enhanced by the numerous artificial water fountains and ponds around it. Photographers can visit the park to photograph the IE Mandapam's stunning architecture against the natural beauty of the surroundings. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.